Today's topic is society, art, and economic condition of the Mauryan Empire. The stability of the Mauryan Empire and the vast administrative system depended upon the prosperity of agriculture, trade, and commerce. As in the past, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Megasthenes places agriculture at the second place in the list of the professions in the society. A large number of small landlords had come into existence, but this class had not become very important in the agricultural system. The state also took various measures for the promotion of agriculture. Large tracts of land were reclaimed for agriculture by the employment of slaves and laborers. Chandragupta Maurya built the Sudarshan Lake at Girnar in Gujarat for irrigation. It was a magnificent work of public utility. The description and explanation of the Sudarshan Lake is given in your book. Just you are looking on page number 38 in the left hand side box, and you can read. The Sudarshan Lake at Girnar in Gujarat was a feat of engineering and was one of the notable example of irrigation in ancient India. It was originally constructed during the reign of the Chandragupta Maurya by damming up a mountain stream with a great wall of masonry. The Jangad rock inscriptions tells that a result of the excessive rains, the lake burst its bonds one night during the reign of the Chandragupta in AD 555, 455. The local governor rebuilt the dam, the work highly praised by the poets of the time. The money lending class also helped in the growth of the agriculture. They advanced loans to the agriculturists and other related persons who wanted to develop new colonies. As a result of the efforts of the agriculturists, the related professions, new villages developed. The prosperity of agriculturists added to the revenue of the state. Animal husbandry. Upon Kautilya is advised the king allots only those lands for grazing cattle which were not fit for agriculture. Besides agriculture, the state was also conscious of the welfare of the shepherds and cattle rearing class. Megasthenes places shepherds and herdsmen at the third place in the list of the professional classes. The shepherds reared cows, buffaloes, goats, and sheep. These tribes mostly belong to the Aryan race, but it has been established that they were considered as Shudras in the Varna system. It is interesting to note that even rich people as well as the state reared cattle because it was a lucrative profession. Craft and industry. With the growth of the trade and commerce, there was a large increase in the number of the artisans and craftsmen. Megasthenes places this class at the fourth place in his list of professions. By this time, the artisans had organized themselves into guilds. The craftsmen were now classified into many more classes. There were three prominent features of these classes, namely localization of vocations, hereditary professions, and the working of the artisans under the chiefs. With the passage of time, these classes of craftsmen grew into important institutions. These craftsmen also employed slaves to increase production. Greek writers refers to the manufacture of arms and agricultural implements and the building of ships.